Surah Al-Tur, Mount Sinai. This surah is Meccan, containing 2 sections and 49 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والطور
By Mount Sinai, Al-Tur,
وكتاب مسطور
by the inscribed book,
في رق منشور
in open scrolls,
والبيت المعمور
by the inhabited house, Al-Bayt al-Ma'mur,
والسقف المرفوع
by the elevated roof,
والبحر المسجور
by the burning sea.
إن عذاب ربك لواقع
The punishment of your Lord will certainly come to pass.
ما له من دافع
None can avert it.
يوم تمور السماء مورا
The day the sky will spin rapidly,
وتسير الجبال سيرا
and the mountains will move at speed.
فويل يومئذ للمكذبين
So woe to the liars on that day,
الذين هم في خوض يلعبون
those who are playing in falsehood.
يوم يدعون إلى نار جهنم دعا
The day they will be thrust forcefully towards the fire of hell.
هذه النار التي كنتم بها تكذبون
This is the fire which you were denying.
أفسحر هذا أم أنتم لا تبصرون
So is this sorcery, or do you not see?
اصلوها فاصبروا أو لا تصبروا سواء عليكم إنما تجزون ما كنتم تعملون
Enter it. So whether you are patient or not patient, it is the same for you. You are only being recompensed for what you used to do.
إن المتقين في جنات ونعيم
Indeed, the pious will be in gardens and blessings,
فاكهين بما آتاهم ربهم ووقاهم ربهم عذاب الجحيم
rejoicing in what their Lord granted them, and their Lord saved them from the punishment of the fire.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون
Eat and drink joyfully as recompense for what you used to do,
متكئين على سرر مصفوفة وزوجناهم بحور عين
reclining upon thrones aligned, and we have married them to fair maidens with large beautiful eyes.
والذين آمنوا واتبعتهم ذريتهم بإيمان ألحقنا بهم ذريتهم وما ألتناهم من عملهم من شيء كل امرئ بما كسب رهين
As for those who believed and their progeny followed them in faith, we have caused their progeny to join them, and we did not decrease anything from their deeds. Every person bears the burden of only what they reaped.
وَأَمْدَدْنَاهُمْ بِفَاكِهَةٍ وَلَحْمٍ مِّمَّا يَشْتَهُونَ
And we will help them with fruit and meat from whatever they will desire.
يَتَنَازَعُونَ فِيهَا كَأْسًا لَّا لَغْوٌ فِيهَا وَلَا تَأْثِيمٌ
They will take cups of heavenly wine from each other therein, which will neither have indecency nor sin in them.
وَيَطُوفُ عَلَيْهِمْ غِلْمَانٌ لَّهُمْ كَأَنَّهُمْ لُؤْلُؤٌ مَّكْنُونٌ
And their servant youths will move around them as if they are hidden pearls.
وَأَقْبَلَ بَعْضُهُمْ عَلَى بَعْضٍ يَتَسَاءَلُونَ
And some of them will face others, questioning one another.
قالوا إنا كنا قبل في أهلنا مشفقين
They will say, Indeed, we were afraid amongst our family before this.
فمن الله علينا ووقانا عذاب السموم
So Allah bestowed favor upon us and He saved us from the punishment of the scorching wind.
إنا كنا من قبل ندعوه إنه هو البر الرحيم
Surely we used to worship Him before this. He is the supreme benefactor, the most merciful.
فذكر فما أنت بنعمة ربك بكاهن ولا مجنون
So, dear beloved Prophet, advise, with the blessing of your Lord, you are neither a sorcerer nor a madman.
أم يقولون شاعر نتربص به ريب المنون
Rather they say, he is a poet, we are waiting for his change of fortune.
قل تربصوا فإني معكم من المتربصين
Say, wait, I am waiting with you too.
أم تأمرهم أحلامهم بهذا أم هم قوم طاغون
Do their intellects command them to do this, or are they a rebellious nation?
أم يقولون تقوله بل لا يؤمنون
Or they say, he has invented it. In fact, they do not believe.
فليأتوا بحديث مثله إن كانوا صادقين
So let them bring forth a statement like it if they are truthful.
أم خلقوا من غير شيء أم هم الخالقون
Were they created from nothing, or are they creators?
أم خلقوا السماوات والأرض بل لا يوقنون
Or have they created the heavens and the earth? In fact, they are not certain.
أم عندهم خزائن ربك أم هم المسيطرون
Or do they have the treasures of your Lord, or are they supreme rulers?
أم لهم سلم يستمعون فيه فليأت مستمعهم بسلطان مبين
Or do they possess a ladder by means of which they listen to the angels? Then let a listener among them bring forth a clear proof.
أم له البنات ولكم البنون
Does he have daughters while you have sons?
أم تسألهم أجرا فهم من مغرم مثقلون.
Or do you seek payment from them, so they are burdened by debt?
أم عندهم الغيب فهم يكتبون.
Or do they possess knowledge of the unseen, so they write judgments?
أم يريدون كيدا فالذين كفروا هم المكيدون.
Or do they intend deception, so those who disbelieve will fall prey to their very own deception?
أم لهم إله غير الله سبحان الله عما يشركون.
Or do they have another God other than Allah? Allah is pure from their polytheism.
وإن يروا كسفا من السماء ساقطا يقولوا سحاب مركوم.
And were they to see a part of the sky falling, they would say, these are accumulated clouds.
فذرهم حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي فيه يصعقون.
So leave them until they face their day in which they will become unconscious.
يوم لا يغني عنهم كيدهم شيئا ولا هم ينصرون.
The day when their deception will not avail them in any way, and they will not be helped.
وإن للذين ظلموا عذابا دون ذلك ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
And indeed, for those who are oppressed, there is a punishment before that. However, most of them do not know.
واصبر لحكم ربك فإنك بأعيننا وسبح بحمد ربك حين تقوم.
Dear beloved Prophet, remain firm on the command of your Lord, for indeed you are under our care. Glorify your Lord with his praise when you stand in worship.
ومن الليل فسبحه وإدبار النجوم.
And glorify him in part of the night and after the setting of the stars.